The purpose of any packaging is to sell.
If you're a premium luxury brand, your packaging has to stand out. It's helping to give it an identity and something that a consumer can focus on.
You're purchasing a lifestyle. Full colour 3D printing has impacted Quadpack quite substantially, I would say. A lot of people just don't have the ability to visualize design concepts.
Full colour 3D printing eliminates that.
It's always a great benefit when they have something there that they can look at, feel, they can assess it, they can pass it around.
We can explore more ideas at a faster rate. It allows our imaginations to run wild. On this, we were very clear of what the design and shape needed to be. We can actually adapt the amount of transition through the gradient. This is a paper lipstick. The idea of this project was to see how much decoration we could apply onto the pack. And also, we can really achieve the pop. When you come into the design hub, everybody always says, oh my God, is this 3D printed?
I don't think you would get the same level of engagement from renders on a screen or someone just presenting and talking about an image.
The multicolour, multi-material 3D printer really helps Quadpack because it's very useful to have different surface options such as wood and fabric.
Different layers, labels, it's all part of the design process of the brief. So it really does enhance the project overall.
With the ultra clear material that we have, it means that we can replicate glass. Full colour 3D printing has really impacted the speed of how we work in design.
By keeping it in-house, we can control the schedule, we can control the costs. Time to market is greatly reduced because we're shortening the lead time at the very beginning of the project. The client can see a finished item, they can see instantly something is wrong or not aligned with brand. If you can get that 100% right from the outset, you remove the risk of the launch. So I can only see the positive aspects of printing 3D full colour samples.
I love the technology. I've got a real passion for 3D printing. It always seems to amaze me.